So you want to start creating your B2B ideal customer profile to drive revenue, maximize your targeting, and align sales and marketing. Luckily for you, we have a free ICP template on our website, but we'll also walk you through it step by step in this series. We're going to give you real examples, no fluff. One of the first and most important components of your ICP is its demographics, or firmographics. This includes its industry, geographical location, how many employees it has, how much revenue it makes, and so on. Now, let's say that your company is a creator and distributor of a variety of wood panels. You would want to consider who would actually use your product. Ideally, in this example, we would target architectural firms in the commercial construction space for use in big projects. In this example, big construction projects would be more cost-effective for your company, and it would offer more product visibility for you as well. Industry is done. You have just significantly lowered your marketing net, and therefore maximize the use of your budget. Now, what employee size do you want to target? A company with thousands of employees? Maybe mid-size, or a startup? In this case, we'll go with mid-size, between 10 to 50 employees. This way, it'll be easier for you to identify and target the main decision makers in the company, resulting in faster deals signed off. Good resources to find out this information are LinkedIn and Glassdoor. Next on the list, how old is the company that you want to target? Is it a startup? Has it been around for a very long time? For this example, we'll pick companies that have over 10 years of experience. Now, with over 10 years of experience, they're gonna know their stuff. So when you talk to them, you're gonna wanna have the materials ready to present with facts and evidence and data, and they're also gonna probably have a lot of questions. So you'll wanna prepare for that as well. But don't worry, we're gonna have that later on in the series. Next on the list, geographical location. If your main office is located in the Northeast, do you want to stay in that region, or do you want to go nationwide? For this example, with our ability to ship the wood panels anywhere, let's go with nationwide. Next on the list, what kind of materials or associations do they refer to for industry insights and news? Sticking to this example, we'll go with the Woodwork Association or the American Institute of Architects. See, your target audience will be going to these associations or resources frequently. So, demonstrate yourself as a thought leader in the industry and insert yourself, adding more credibility to your brand. Next, look at customer portfolio and revenue. If a company only has 5 customers and not much revenue, there's not really much there most likely to create a long-lasting relationship. For this example, let's go with companies that have at least $300,000 in revenue and a customer portfolio of 50. See, with at least 50 customers, there's a higher likelihood that our wood panels may be chosen for one of the next projects. What are the typical roles that you want to target within the company? For this example, a junior or senior architect can most likely sign off on using our products for the next project. So, to recap our example, our wood panel company is going to target nationwide architectural firms in the commercial construction space. They need to have at least $300,000 in revenue, been in operation for over 10 years, have at least 50 customers in their portfolio, and 10 to 50 employees. Look at how much smaller your marketing net just got. Your marketing budget is being maximized to the fullest extent. For example, instead of throwing out a wide marketing net and hoping for the best, you can now set your Facebook ads to these data parameters and be way more effective. Additionally, your sales team will now start receiving qualified leads instead of ones that don't offer any value to the company because they're based on your ICP. Don't forget, we have a free ICP template that you can download from our website. I highly recommend that you fill it out while you're watching these videos so you can get a real clear picture of what you really want to put in there. This video is the first part of our ICP series because there's way more that goes into this, so you can get very, very granular. But don't worry, that is coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and the bell so you get notified when we post new content.